hopefully, Stephanie, the rest of the News 10 team of the backpack giveaway in Lansingburg today has the rain gear ready. We checked in with them at the top of the show. It was still dry. Now showers are inbound as we continue to see the leading edge of this rain crossing the Hudson River. Looking from Albany into Schenectady, the rain is a little bit heavier. Amsterdam as well. Heaviest downpour between, let's say, the Ravenna area down towards Cairo into northern Greene County. You can see more moderate downpours here 5:15, extending back into Schoharie County as well. There's a little thunder and lightning mixed in with this next wave of rain too. So roads are going to be wet. You're going to need the rain gear at least we get the day started. As you work into the afternoon, conditions will be improving. Cold front's going to quickly swing its way across New York State, western New England as well, eventually sweeping all of the rain out as we hit the middle point of the day before we open the door to some really nice conditions. We wind down the week. So still very wet as we hit the 7, even 8 o'clock hours, as most folks are hitting the roads here to get your Wednesday started. Bye-bye rain. By lunchtime, we're dry. Skies will begin to clear as well. So we will get back a dose of sunshine. Just turns a little breezy into the second part of the day. Skies will gradually clear later tonight into first thing tomorrow. Should be a beautiful day on Thursday. It's going to feel great too as we keep things dry, not just tomorrow, but also for the foreseeable future. This is our last rain chance of the summer, bringing to an end those soggy conditions. As we look ahead to Sunday, in the middle point of the long holiday weekend, just a slight bump in our rain chances, but I think for the most part, we are going to be free and easy, living fancy free here as we head into Labor Day weekend. If you're heading up towards the track, of course, beginning of the final week of the summer meet today. All the rain will be out. It will turn breezy under partly sunny skies. Temperature at first post at 110 today should be in the mid to upper 70s, maybe just a little muddy, especially for some of the early races on today's card. Here's your 7-day storm tracker forecast. Starting off tomorrow in the mid to upper 50s, only 74 under sunshine Thursday. Meteorological fall begins in style on Friday. We start off around 50, climbing close to 80 by the afternoon. 80s aplenty as we head into the holiday weekend. And if you're still holding out for some hot and humid weather, well, looks like you're in luck. Next week, back-to-back 90s, Monday and Tuesday.
Thank you, Jill.